Mk18, and I've put in this Surefire OBC. I've already taken a few shots. It's gonna send the brass 5 o'clock. We're only gonna put a few with the brake, you know, unmitigated, and then I'll throw on my ballistic can.
Oh my goodness.
Pretty impressive.
Yes.
You want to zoom in on the brake ports? Yeah. Alright. My cargo pocket. 5 mags. Wait on them for a second. Here, you try it, dude. This thing's sick.
Hell yeah.
Ready, Mag, has got to go. So I painted over the upper, but I kept this UID tag from Ripcord Industries. Very cool guys. Shout out to Steve.